Ось такий поїзд приїхав. Holiday train.
Після приходу дівчат, чуєш, що предлагають? Після приходу дівчата стоять.
Там далі головна сцена.
Whatever you're stewing on, well, that's all done. Just put one foot in front of the other. We all been there one time or another. And even when that's hard to see, it won't be long before you start to. Even when that's hard to see, it won't be long before you start to run. Back to square one.
Here is our good friend Bill, and this is what Bill did. See all these lights? Bill, come wave here. This is Bill. He built. Let's hear it for Bill. He built all these lights. It took him all afternoon.
Oh, you get off that train right now. Oh, you get off. Unless you're a CP cop. Don't worry.
Hey, we're on the Anyway Gang. Yeah, we're the Anyway Gang. I'm Chris. That's Sam. That's Adam. That's Dave way over. That's Amanda.
Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Come on, win it back.
Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. A little louder now. Feliz Navidad. Come on.
That's nice.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. All right, come on. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Come on. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Swing the tape.
Beautiful voice.
Wow, you guys are awesome. Vraiment formidable, Winnipeg. Merci beaucoup. Fully psychedelic.
I started out as a north side guy, but now I'm kind of liking the south side.
Oh, can we explain the singing?
Because they're louder than the north side, it seems.
It's weird. There's no way to tell.
Okay, let's coordinate here. On the count of three, do you guys want to prove them wrong? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Let's wait though.
The snow's coming down. I'm watching it fall. Lots of people around. Baby, please come home. Christmas, just this time. Christmas, ringing a song. Christmas, such a happy sound.
Thank you guys, awesome show. I'll turn it back to Vince. Hello, Winnipeg. Hello, Northside. Wait. We have to be equal here. Hello, Southside. How about another round of applause for the amazing Anyway gang? It has been my absolute honor and privilege to work with them since Montreal, raising food and funds right across this country. I am so proud. But now I have to get back to my script.
Keep your hands in.
C'est fini, allez venir avant. Il n'y a plus de musique. C'est fini. C'est fini. Non, on va faire la fourche, c'est fini. Gloria. Махайте потяг.
Jennifer!